it is so fresh. Did you see the sand here? It just came from the farm, bro. Sini boleh lah, bhai. Sini boleh ya. Oh, there is a lot. All these things over here and there. So basically I bought like 4 bucket, I guess 4 or 5, 500 kilograms something. These things are heavy, trust me. I got 2 here. I think 3 or 2 more buckets to come. They actually went to take it, so which is why I'm staying here to take care of this. I don't want them to be stolen, you know what I'm saying? Look at this. It is so fresh. Did you see the sand here? It just came from the farm, bro. I put some back there. And let me show you some more. And I think all of those melons gonna be feeding here. One bucket done. 3 more to go. Okay, so I couldn't talk. Now let me talk. See? Holy sh! And look back there. You see, it's a lot, bro. I wonder like how many days it's gonna take me to sell all this. I actually concerned that I won't be able to, you know, keep them long enough because these are fruit. These are not product. So I'm just afraid this thing is gonna expire really fast because those are fruits. I should finish all these within 1 week. I mean, last time, yeah, it worked. It's totally worked last time. Why it is yellow? It's supposed to be green. Let me turn it around. It is green from this side and yellow from this side. And look at that melon. Whoa, he's full of sand, bro. He just came out from the farm. Oh, how am I supposed to sit? Safety first. I'm really concerned about the tire though. What if like it can hold a lot of weight? Where is Along? Mau buat apa? Okay, let's get to work. It's a melon heaven in here. 500 kg. Look at my tire. It goes flat. So all those melons gonna be here, and I got like few left. These are like big type. These are not actually big type. These are small and oval looking. You know, like yeah. Maybe it's like a Japanese melon, we call it, but I don't know where is it from. I should do my research. Yeah, I'll let you know by the end of the video, so keep watching. Kali ni punya okey sikit tabrak ya. Mu rasa sebiji ada tak apa ni 2-3 kilo? Ada. Ada. Okay, here we go. As you can see, wait, these are not 400 kilogram yet. There's like more here. Yes, there's like more in the car. Yep, there's more in the car. I just don't want to put this up there because let me tell you why. I just don't put them up here because I'm afraid that this thing's gonna broke, you know. Yeah, what if like this thing broke down, boom, everything gonna be broken and I'm gonna go broke, which is not good. Kung Fu Panda Po, nama dia Po. Meow. Mata dia kelabu tu. Boy, hey boy. Boy. Tidur, tidak mau ketemu kan tidur. Keju aku.